Oh, on today's Reginald ZL1 video, what we're doing, clearly all the rockers are out. I replaced them with some upgraded CHE instead of the, what was that shit called? Smith Brothers? I think it was Smith Brothers. Um, I don't know if they were going to be super good for my build or not, but here we are. I already put in the driver's side of CHE rocker arms back in. I didn't have a problem on this side, but if you look over here, this is where I actually had the failure. See all that bronze down in there? I need to clean that a little bit better. But uh, all of that happened from one singular trunnion bearing. So I don't know how that failed at 160 miles. I'm willing to bet it was my own fault. So I just went ahead and wanted to be safe. I picked up a new oil filter today. I'm going to do an oil change on it. Not for the break-in, but mainly because I don't know how much debris that actually kicked up. So we're just going to go ahead and do an oil change. Why not? Yeah, that's where we are currently at. Where's my nicotine? Oh, yeah. By the way, goated. Yeah, these are good. I don't. Oh, let's see here. I wonder what people think of me just wearing the shit outside. I don't care. I actually found these 18 milligram ones too. So I picked those up. I haven't tried them yet. White Fox. 18 milligram. That's crazy. Just to show you a difference, this one didn't go bad, but, you know, still good. Just to show you for comparison. This is my very last one. I've already taken out all the others. Ooh. Ooh. Bad clips, new clips. Hope tonight. Alright, so, clearly, you're going to see a difference whenever we bang this bitch out. Be my little baby. Clearly, that's a little bit harder to get out. That's actually my last one, so hard to do this with a VR headset on. I'll get that later. But yeah, so if we go to the new ones, yeah, I'm gonna put oil on this, by the way, so don't freak out. Give it to me. Clearly, no oil. I'm gonna put oil on it, but just to show you guys, literally slips in there. Start to get it on there right, it'll slip in by itself. Use your nails. Get that, boy. There we go. Boom. It normally hasn't been taking me this long, but this VR headset's fucking me up. There we go. So there's another Trunion done. Wonderful. These are all done. I just got this one last. Alright, so after you torqued all those, you just want to make sure... Where's my flashlight? Oh. Holy shit. Turn it over by hand. Come on. There we go. I know, it's almost dead. You just want to make sure you got... They're all moving and whatnot. Yep. Alright, so after we get these all torqued down, which they are now, then good to throw on the valve covers again. Finished putting on the valve covers and everything, so that's all done. I just have to, I really need to order some more break-in oil for it. So since it had metal shavings in there from that trunnion going out, I'm just going to go ahead and do an oil change early on it just to be safe. I know it's probably going to look like a rear diff, but there we are. Back on the road.